This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeffrey Waldman. Paradise in Naples awaits at this fantastic home in the beautiful community of Orchards. A welcoming entryway leads to an impressive open floor plan with vaulted ceilings and designer finishes throughout. This highly functional layout features no wasted space and ample room to entertain or simply relax after a day out in Naples. The feel of this home is current, open, fresh and inviting. The lanai has an attractive lake view, room for a pool if desired, and is perfect for outdoor gatherings. This beautifully renovated home has been very well cared for and is move-in ready. The overall location of this home is truly wonderful. The community pool and clubhouse is a 3-minute walk away. Galleria Shoppes at Vanderbilt, Mercato, and Pavilion, 3 fantastic destination spots featuring restaurants, grocers, live entertainment, shopping, etc., are 10 to 15 minutes away. Vanderbilt Beach is 4 miles down the street. Finally, the school system here is A-rated and the HOA fees are very, very low. Great, beautifully renovated home. Check. Great community. Check. Great location, location, location. Check. This property checks all the right boxes for the time of your life in beautiful Naples, Florida. For more information, review the details below.